वीडियो वीडियो बन रही है। ठीक है, तो बीच में पिक्चर कर देते हैं। और यहाँ पर फॉलो होता है एनालिसिस जनरली सरकारी स्कूल में जो बच्चे रहते हैं नॉट फैमिली स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन गौरव देते रहते हैं। पहले क्या होता था नहीं देते थे फ्राइडे पूरी अटेंडेंस और बाकी दिन आधी हो जाती है। देन कैपिटल सरप्राइज जिसकी आप रेगुलर अटेंडेंस बढ़ गई हर दिन करता रहा। आंगनबाड़ी सेंटर है भी कहाँ जाना हमारे तो 5 लाख का डोनेशन आता है तो 5 लाख आगे बट आज वेरी गुड ट्रांसफर। और रिसेंटली देयर वाज अ मीटिंग जितने भी सारे मीटिंग एनजीओ चलते हैं सब पीपल और एक्सपीरियंस की नहीं बहुत कम आता है और हमने 1 करोड़ का ड्रेन लौटाया उसके बाद जितना बचता है तो हम रिटर्न कर देते हैं बचता है तो दे आर वेरी डेस्परेटली कॉलिंग अस ये भी एक स्टोरेज एरिया है। हियर इज द क्लीनिंग मशीन राइट क्लीनिंग तो इसमें 5 लेवल का फिल्ट्रेशन होता है और जितना हाथ से साफ नहीं होता उससे से हाथ से साफ हो जाता है। Vacuum method and all the 5 level of filtration is there on the यहाँ पर अलग-अलग 5 टाइप है अलग 5
What the importance of the school years in India?
Well, I think that midday meals are among the most important social programs that have been initiated in India in recent years. And that is, particularly has to be seen in the context of the fact that about half of
Akshay Patra, I would like to tell you how it started. So Akshay Patra started from? And basically it started from? So it started in Bangalore, basically. So anybody has been Bangalore? ISKCON you have seen? Achha. So we are basically from there only, ISKCON. So ISKCON Bangalore, it's a big temple Krishna has given us. So when ISKCON Bangalore came up, so it's a pretty big temple, one of the biggest ISKCONs of the world. So then that time, the number one CFO of the country, Mr. Mohandas Pai, who is one of the trustees of the Manipal University here, and he is seeing that now. So he visited our temple, and so he said, Swamiji, why you have made such a big temple? People are hungry outside. And one strange phenomena was happening in our temple. What was happening? In the afternoon, many school children, they will just gather around the khichdi corner. We serve khichdi over there, you must just know. Whosoever passes out, we give him prasadam, khichdi prasadam. So all the boys, they were assembling there, and it seems like whole school has come. तो बोल रहे थे देखो ये बच्चे आपके इसके कारण टेम्पल के कारण स्कूल छोड़ देते हैं. तो हम बोले हमारी क्या गलती है भाई, they are not getting fed over there. So he said, why can't we start this thing in school? अगर वो स्कूल छोड़ के बच्चा यहाँ आ सकता है तो सड़क छोड़ के वो स्कूल में भी आ सकता है. तो okay, let us do it. So but we need some help. They did some help. They gave us some vehicles and all. तो हमने स्टार्ट किया और हमने 5,000 बच्चों से शुरू किया था. So the visionary of this project is His Grace Madhu Pandit Prabhu. Madhu Pandit Prabhu is the chairman of our group of Akshay Patra and Hare Krishna movement, is president of ISKCON Bangalore. So he passed out of IIT Bombay, and he has been one of the 4 persons who have been given the Alumnus Award internationally by IIT Bombay. And he did not have to appear for JEE also. He scored so well in some of the exams कि IIT से direct call आया था back in long time back. So then he announced that we are going to feed 5,000 children. As soon as Prabhu announced to devotees को attack आ गया है. 5,000 कैसे खिलाएंगे? We don't have any income. It's such a big temple we have to run and all these things. So then Prabhu told no, let us depend on Krishna. And so Mohandas Pai, Mr. Mohandas Pai gave various suggestions. Look, we have to have cost of fund, we have to have FDI and this bank and that account और ऐसे वहाँ पूरा pipeline create करेंगे. तो इतने महीने तक हमको और इतने करोड़ रुपए चाहिए, then we are able to run this. So no, that will not work. Prabhu said. So our Guru Maharaj has told us, whatever money comes every day, go for Bhiksha. Whatever money comes, because we are the Brahmachari has got 2 missions or 2 duties. One duty is to collect Bhiksha. Why? Not for his maintenance, so that people can get engaged in devotional service. So जाके भिक्षा लेना और दूसरी चीज है to spread this Vedic knowledge. So he told no, the principle of spiritual life is whatever money is coming, we have to spend that. We do not store. Our storing is again brahmacharya because we depend on God. So he told no, this is not what Swamiji, you don't understand, I am CFO. So anyhow, we started like that. And 5,000 बच्चों से हमने शुरू किया, it became so big, वो 15,000 हो गया एक साल में, फिर इस तरह बढ़ता गया और 10 सालों में we started feeding 13 lakh children. And today we are feeding 15 lakh children every day free of cost across the country. So they are also surprised, बोलिए Swamiji Krishna only is running, we cannot run it. Still we have the same thing. अभी भी हमारे पास 15 दिन बाद बच्चों को क्या खिलाएंगे, we don't have funds. पर एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ पिछले 12-13 सालों में. In 2000 we started Akshay Patra. तो 13 सालों में 14 सालों में एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया कि हमने मिस किया उस स्कूल में. और कभी जैसे अभी यूपी में आया था that disaster came, cloud burst. वी स्पेंट देयर। कर्नाटका में डिजास्टर आया था कुछ सालों पहले, so we are always trying to give our assistance in any case possible. So when this thing became so big, so many people across the world, they took notice of it and they visited. तो सबसे पहले हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी आया 2008 में, जयपुर में ही आए थे वो, और उन्होंने केस स्टडी की थी अक्षय पात्र on my website. You can visit akshaypatra.org and you can see the case study also on the internet what they have done. Then Wharton Business School followed उसके बाद में, फिर IIM अहमदाबाद, IIM बैंगलोर, we have got very good collaboration. यहाँ से जो भी IAS ऑफिसर्स हैं ऑल द उनको हमारा विजिट कराते हैं ऑफिस में, और कोई भी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज स्टूडेंट एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम होता है तो they make sure IIM Bangalore that they are visiting our campus. Recently, University of Alabama, the students they came here, visited. Even IBM came, and 2 months back, the president, like we have director in our college, so the president of MIT, he visited here. 2 months back. And your director also, when he came in Jaipur, so first day when he came, he visited our center. So director and Dean MS Gaur sir was there, and placement officer Manoj Bhattacharya sir, he was there. So same day they sent Tarush Chandra sir. He is taking care of hostel 1 or something like that. So आपकी मेस में कितना गड़बड़ है बोलते हैं, वहाँ देख के आइए, यहाँ कितना अच्छा है. तो same evening here right. So then he visited the kitchen, बोलते हैं अरे क्या आपके क्लीन करते हैं कैसे? He was very impressed. So they have given us offers also, and so they are requesting us that we start the canteen in MNIT. Wow. So they are very much this thing in favor, but we have to wait for the Bangalore approval. If that happens, तो आपके अच्छा कैंटीन होगा and we start the business. So this has been the story of Akshay Patra so far, and as I stated that generally people start NGOs 98 or 99% to convert black money to white money. But here it's not the case, because generally आप कोई भी NGO देखें, the people they will be traveling in big cars and Maybachs and Audis and all. But here the devotees, we don't have any salary. We don't have even more than 3 pair of clothes. We sleep on floors. We don't need much food to eat, whatever it could be or whatever we eat. So हमारे जो expenses है on running the organization, that is mere 11% of the donations that we raise. Whereas general trend it is 40 to 50%. What happens? So for that, Akshay Patra was the first NGO जिसने international financial standards से अपनी report बनाई थी. First NGO in the country in India. और अभी रिसेंटली सर्वे हुआ था पूरे NGOs का, लैक्स ऑफ NGOs इन जयपुर इटसेल्फ, और पूरे वर्ल्ड में हमारा 23rd रैंक आया है. एंड इन इंडिया ऑल्सो रिगार्डिंग द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स फॉर द लास्ट 3 or 4 years, last 4 years consecutively we are first in the country, first in India in financial standards. तो ICI है इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स इंस्टीट्यूट, इसका गोल्ड शील्ड अवार्ड मिलता है. तो 4 से लगातार गोल्ड शील्ड अवार्ड अक्षय पात्र को मिल रहा है. एंड नाउ वी आर इन दी what do we call the surveillance team or the team which takes care of the Akshay Patra, the midday meal programs in the whole country. So Akshay Patra is a part of the team now. So we are getting offers from everywhere, and each and every state is calling us from north to south, east to west. So we are just waiting for more hands, more devotees, so that we can start our service. So this is one segment, Akshay Patra, in which we feed school children. And there are many more things like the Dell Foundation. They have the laptops are. So Michael Dell, Suzanne Dell, they have got a foundation, charitable foundation. तो जयपुर में हमारे से भी काम कर रहा है, और हमारा न सिर्फ खिलाना है मोटिव, बट उनको एजुकेट भी करना है. So we give the scholarship to the students who are underprivileged, and उनको हम लाइफ स्किल्स भी सिखाते हैं. हमारे रेगुलर क्लासेस होती हैं वहाँ पर, उसमें हम उनको वैदिक मैथ्स सिखाते हैं और उनको कुछ हार्डवेयर स्किल्स सिखाते हैं, एंड सो मेनी अदर स्मॉल थिंग्स वी टीच देम इन द लाइफ स्किल्स प्रोग्राम. तो उसमें डेल फाउंडेशन के साथ कोलैबोरेशन में काम कर रहे हैं. So our target is that our vision, the vision of Akshay Patra is no child in India should be because of hunger. So education and hunger both problems we have to solve. हाँ, तो सबसे पहले बच्चे को खाने को देते हैं एक अच्छा मील. तो बच्चा जो बाहर घूम रहा है या तो उसको फोर्स किया जा रहा है या खेल कूद रहा है व्हाटएवर, ही कम्स टू स्कूल, तो पेट भी उसका बढ़ता है और वो इस कोर्स का पढ़ाई भी करता है. So that he is able to come out of the poverty cycle. So this is our vision. And ours is the only NGO जिसको हम लोग जल्दी से जल्दी बंद करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज हम नहीं चाहते कि भूखे बच्चे ज़्यादा इंडिया में ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं.
we want to close it as soon as possible. हम इसको सालों साल नहीं चलाना चाहते. We want to feed everybody and then that's it. So we just have a small video so that you can understand better what is actually.
You have time? Somebody has copied them this exam.
No, he's not here.
He's not. We have to read them. 4 o'clock is the exam, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, exam is from 5 and I have to reach there at 4:15.
4:15 you have to reach.
Yes, sir.
So 3:45 if you leave, you can reach there 4:15.
Okay.
So what do you have? You have some vehicle, something outside?
No.
Okay, well, that's all.
Akshaya Patra, a school meal program in government schools. The vision statement is that no child in India shall be deprived of education because of hunger. It is our dream that India becomes a developed country, but this cannot be as long as millions of children are out of school.
Children do manual jobs to earn a livelihood and thus miss out the benefits of education. Our firm belief is that education is